Hey guys, it's me, Seth, here again. Please subscribe. I already have 1 subscriber. Oh yeah. So, you guys are probably wondering, do you have dogs? Like, do you have a cat? Do you have any kind of sort of animal? Yes, I do. Not just yet. I just came back from school, as you can probably tell. Yeah, and I'm gonna like zoom in a little. I'm gonna zoom out. Anyways, okay, so yeah, you're probably wondering, oh, do I have a dog? Do I have a cat? And you'll probably hear that. It's one side of one animal. Can you see the other animal? Not yet. Okay, here, I'll just show you. Oh, there's my dad. Hi, Dad. So, if you can see over there, that's 1. That's 2, and the other one's under my sticks. And there's 3. Hi, girl. Then let me tell you their names. Okay, this one right here, that's Scratchy, is Steel. Say hi, Steel. I love you, Steel. That one right there is Martha, and the black one over there, that's Crazy. I don't know. That's my dad. Oh, okay, so the black one that's over here, right there, his name is Buster, which is very crazy. So, bye-bye, guys. Let's get 10 likes for this video. Not a very long video, but bye-bye.